Alright, hi guys, I'm Joyce. So, as you can see, I got a big box of goodies here. I just got this from Taobao this morning, and I actually ordered this like a month ago. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, it was all about vlogging and going to places that I've been. But today, I want to do some unboxing, and let's see what I got over here. And I'll also share what I got and the price that I got in Malaysian ringgit. So, let's get started. And before I forget, a little description. This is around 10 kilogram, and the shipment price for this was around 120 ringgit Malaysia. But for this one, I actually got it shipped by sea instead of by air. Now the reason behind that, I'm going to tell you later. But it's something to do with what I've been up to lately. So stay tuned and I'll show you what's that. Just want to show you my mess around here. Now this is below my fan, and I have all these cables going around. I have some extension going around. I have some of my MacBook charger, my hair dryer, my hair straightener. Everything is just a mess over here. So I bought this box here that I just show you. Okay, so what you do, you just want to open the top and you place this here. This is the end result after we fix all the cable inside and clear things up a bit. So these are the few cables left, 1, 2 and 3, just some extension and the fan cable going up top. So this is it. It looks pretty good to me. So this is the tripod stand that I just got off Taobao. There are 5 key features on why you should get this tripod stand. Number 1, they has these 3 legs here. Alright, these 3 legs that you can push it down and expand it. Now the good thing is, it's not so flimsy. As you can see, there is a lock at the bottom here. Turn it to the other side and it's quite firm. It doesn't move anymore. Alright, so that is the number 1 key point. So let's unlock it first so it looks better over here. Now the second key point is that it is extendable. Okay, so you can actually put this on the ground all the way. So when you fully extend it, that is the second key point. The third key point is that there is a Bluetooth remote control here. Especially if you're out traveling, you need this to actually take picture from a long distance to control the shutter. So the good thing is this one can also be inserted here at the side, right there, all the way in. So for this one, oops, I think I just flipped it the wrong side. Let me just push it out from the other side. Okay, so this way. Right, so you guys do make sure it goes this direction, this way in, and snap there, and you can click here. Right, this one actually pairs well with any phone, especially Apple or Android. It works perfectly. Right, so that is the key point for the Bluetooth. you can remove that back and snug it back in here. Now, the subsequent key point is that this tripod acts as a great video stabilizer. If we lift this up, this is where we hold the phone, lock it in, okay, and this is the handle to act as a stabilizer. For example, you are taking a video and you need to make sure that the video doesn't shake too much, doesn't tremor too much. You can actually just hold this, moving up or down. It acts as a great stabilizer. Now the last key point is that there is this white color shield here. It's actually a light. There is a charging port over here for this light. The lifespan of this light is around 1 hour. There is a button here. Press it twice, it lights up. Press it a bit more and it brightens up. One more time and it's off. So this is the tripod. It comes with a silk packaging that you can put it in and hold it. The size is just slightly longer than my palm, so it's very light as well. Definitely recommend anyone who loves to do videos and would love to have a tripod on the go when you're traveling. This is something that you must have in your backpack. So the next product is this tripod stand that I got from Taobao. So this is actually a 26 cm size ring light, and this is the whole tripod stand. The height of this whole tripod stand is around 160 cm, and this is the area where you place the phone either in a horizontal view or in a vertical view. Now this is actually flexible, you can actually move it around, but I'm not going to touch it so much currently. Now for this ring light, there's actually 3 modes of light. Okay, let me get the remote. Now this is actually the white light, this is the yellow light, and this is the orange light. Now for all these 3 lights, there is a setting to either intensify the light or a setting to actually dim it a lot. But the best light that we like to use is actually the white one. Okay, this is great to take in a video for a speaking one or a video for product shoot. Great as a lamp as well. Definitely recommend this product as well. Before I forget, this is actually the remote for the tripod. This is the on-off button, the red color one. This is the one to change the light mode, white, yellow and orange, and this is to increase the light intensity, and this is actually the one to dim it down. So there's 4 buttons on this remote. That's the back side of it. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this time's Taobao unboxing, which is my first time unboxing this video.
doing an unboxing video. If you have any products that you would like me to unbox in the future, do let me know in the comment below. Just type it in and let me know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and to subscribe my channel. Yeah, that's about it. Bye!